So as we know, here is Chintan Chawda, our all favorite time MedPerspect founder. So I would like to ask him one question, that what you would tell to this generation about how to deal and how to come out and how to bring homeopathy to the top.
So to begin with, in whatever work we do, like I had heard a very beautiful quote about it, that make sure whatever you do in life, make sure you love it, right? And the work which you always do should not feel like work to you. So that's one of the only formulas to excel at anything in the life that you work at. And as far as homeopathy is concerned, it is very individualistic because it's an individual science, right? Everybody somewhere tries to take it up on a different level and to different situations depending on their availability of resources. So I feel that, like how you said, Ketu, what should one do as a young doctor or a young practitioner to take the homeopathic field and the knowledge for the future coming generations and even their own colleagues and classmates, is like start very small, है ना? अगर आप जहाँ पे आप रह रहे हो, बराबर, फैमिली मेम्बर्स, तो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द फैमिली मेम्बर्स के स्मॉल अक्यूट्स कि कोई सर्दी खांसी हो गई तो इंस्टेड ऑफ सिनरेस्ट यू कैन गिव देम द derived medicines of the totality, but always try to differentiate it very clinically and with repertory, है ना? So suppose simple सर्दी खांसी से आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, हेड पेन हो गए, and you can always build up starting में धीरे. I was fortunate enough to have in my college CMP program like hands-on training. So we used to take cases and we used to go to our sirs, senior doctors, and they used to मतलब help us in solving cases and then prescribe us. So we used to prescribe medicines and solve it, and then we used to give it to the patient and they were better. So एक ये भी होता है कि आप केसेस लेना चालू कर दो, आपकी बिल्डिंग के कोई होंगे तो आपकी, या फिर बिल्डिंग के आजू बाजू के कोई लोग रहेंगे. So you can always start with that small cases with that thing. And lastly, like I said, it is again very individual, no? Depending on how much faith you have on yourself and how much you can work and do the things by yourself, right? So when I had also started, it was very small numbers, and the numbers actually never matter, but the only thing that matters is what impact you create on the society and how big an impact or what can you do to inspire someone. So हमने भी start किया था बहुत small से, इनफैक्ट मैंने तो छोड़ भी दिया था start करने के बाद, but then I had someone in my life who pushed me. So we always need someone to keep pushing us. So Rockstar Pandya, like you all know, who is one of the legends of Telegram channel and Dr. Study Material. So Saurav bhai pushed me and told me कि Chintan तू चालू रख, I'll do your promotions and I'll मतलब promote your videos, so you will get the views and all. So then ever since it has not stopped since. But yes, like I said, you need to do something which you love, and if you think that you love homeopathy, then you should always work for it and then try to devote as much as you can, because it always manifests good cures of your patients. You can always think good and think of ways to help the patients, because I've seen that when we really do it, and there might come a time batchmates come to you for some prescriptions, because I still remember I had started, my journey has been a complete topsy-turvy. My first year was like really very bad, bullied here there, and then by the time I come in fourth year, I have my batchmates coming to me and then asking me for medicines. So it's all happened, and it's all about the time, है ना? समय सबका आता है, समय सबका चले भी जाता है. So what really matters is कि आपके दिल में क्या है and what visions you have for your pathy. And if you have a good vision for homeopathy, you should always start very small. Like it is said ना कि a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So always take that first step. Start with your family members, your relatives. ऐसे ही start होती है practice, and then धीरे धीरे लोगों को मालूम पड़ेगा, you work. And then the only thing to take up homeopathy ahead in life is that you give results. Whenever you will give results, you will always make homeopathy proud, and people want to take homeopathy more. So you give results, make yourself more efficient, make yourself more skillful, and whenever you are always lost or have no support or no help, we are always there to help you around. And so that's the only thing that I would like to say. So love what you do and do what you love. Thank you.
Thank you.